Hi there. This morning we're going to head off to Randolph County. Randolph County is northeastern Indiana, up around Winchester. There's a fly in there this morning. We're going to have us some breakfast and check out the sights along the way. Hope you enjoy the trip. Going to do a little bit of flight planning here real quick before we take off.
Shelbyville Municipal Airport, Shelbyville, Indiana. Automated weather observation 1155 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 8. Sky condition clear. Temperature 25 Celsius. Dew point 21 Celsius. Altimeter 2986. Remarks. Density altitude 2,300.
Alright, so we've left the hangar, we've taxied to the runway here. We're kind of looking around to see if there's any other traffic out, which right now there's not. What we're going to do is we're going to stop here and we do what's called a run-up. And basically we check and make sure that all of our control surfaces are functioning properly and that our engine's running good and all that kind of stuff before we depart. So we got a little checklist that we run through here. Put our thumb up, put our hand on the yoke. We go left aileron is up. Elevator is up. Right aileron is up. Left and right rudder looks good. Mixture is rich. Carb heat's cold. Throttle to 1700 RPMs. Left mag is good. Right mag is good. Carb heat is good. Engine idles with carb heat on. Alright. Our run-up looks good, fuel looks good, oil pressure looks good, temp looks good, amps look good, suction looks good. Fuel selector switch is on, mixture's rich, flaps are up. I think we're ready for takeoff. We'll double check, make sure there's no other traffic in the pattern, make an announcement, then we'll head out. We're going to head north to Randolph County. I'll see you when we get there.
Get home fast in that fast plane.
Shelbyville traffic, Cessna November 6565 Golf, climbing out runway 1 via northern departure, Shelbyville. Randolph County, Cessna 65 Golf will be left base for runway 26, Randolph County.
Hagerstown traffic, Cessna 2985 Uniform centering a mid cross wind for runway 02, Hagerstown. Metro traffic 28 Tango Whiskey, left downwind 15, Metro traffic. Randolph County, 56510 Zulu, midfield, left downwind 26, Randolph.
Randolph County, Cessna 65 Golf, be final for runway 26, Randolph County.
Madison County, Lexington 1346 Bravo. Anyone in the office?
Metro traffic, 59744 Delta, 23 East, we're entering left downwind, 5 Metro.
Randolph County 52510, turning left base 26 Randolph.
We made it. A little hairy, but we made it. About a 51-minute
Randolph
flight.
County, Randolph. Randolph County, Ronco 447 Echo is turning midfield left downwind for 26, Randolph County.
County traffic, 35 Echoes left crosswind 26.
Randolph County traffic, 628 departing 26, Randolph County.
Randolph County traffic, 493 downwind 26, Randolph County.
Randolph County, 87 Echo, turning base 26, Randolph County.